ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। शानजंत प्रक्रिया शानच प्रत्यय is shit pratyaya, that was sarvadhataka. Apit pratyaya, therefore no angakarya. Content of shanach is ana. When it follows the adantanga, mukha kama will come. This is what shanach is. The rupam of shanach can be derived for the dhatus which are other than 1, 4, 6, 10. The atmanepada dhatus, pratama purusha, dvivachano. If you know the form, we can derive. More on this, the sutra, and I think that we will see when we study sutram. Maybe we will start sutram little later. Maybe we'll do it soon. After completing some of the prakriyas. After the shanach prakriya, we will see kritya. Then kritya, tuman, tva, lyap, some of the pratyas. Then we will see sutram. Okay. Now this statement, 91. Ramena khadyamanam phalam aham nechami. Na ichami nechami. There is no kriya padam ne. It is na plus ichami nechami. So we have to convert the sentence into yattad format. So how do we do this? Yad and tad, that which aham phalam na ichami.
Tam phalam aham na ichchami.
Yat,
यत्
same.
Same.
यत् फलं रामेण खाद्यते तत्
Yat
अहं न
ramena
खाद्यते.
khadyate. Yes, we got to use kriya padam. यत् फलं रामेण खाद्यते. यत् फलं रामेण खाद्यते कर्मणि प्रयोगः. That is why Shanach is here. Karmani Shanach. Kad dhatu parasmaipadi va atmanepadi va parasmaipadi. Therefore, it must take Shatru. But he has taken Shanach. This is an example for Karmani Shanach. Ramena palam kadyate. Ramena kadyamanam palam. Kadadatu, as here we use Atmanepada Pratyaya because it is Karmani Prayoga. Similarly, for Shanach also. Palam, which is the object of the action qualified by the Shanach. That is verbal derivative Shanach Rupam. Kadyamanam palam. Yata palam ramena kadyate. Tat aham nechami. Simple. Similarly, parivang. This has some typo mistake. Is there? Not parivad bihi, paribrad bihi should be. Paribrad bihi. Not mihi. Paribrad bihi. Paribrad bihi means what is the pratipadikam? Yeah.
Parivraj. Parivraj.
Paripurvaka Rachidatu.
Rajnatu.
That becomes Paribraj and Shattam also happens. That is why you get Paribrat, Paribrajo, Paribrajaha iti rupam. Paribrad bihi. By the people who wander. Gamyamanam varam. Naribhyaha. Naribhyaha what vibhakti? Narochate. It must be what vibhakti? Naribhyaha.
Ruch dhatu governs Chaturthi.
Chaturthi.
Naribhyaha Chaturthi. Naribhyaha Nadibhyaha. Now, how do we convert? Yet, again it is in Karmani. Yet vanam paribrad bihi gamyate. Huh?
Gachati.
This is it paribrad bihi karta in tritiya, Karmani prayoga. Not gachati, gamyate. Like kadyate. Previous sentence. Yet vanam paribrad bihi gamyate. Tat naribhyaha narochate. Simple. Tat naribhyaha narochate. Similarly, Bhartra tyajyamana api bharya bhartaram ma nindatu. Bharya pratama vibhakti. Bhartra tyajyamana. Karmani Shanach. All these are examples for Karmani Shanach. Bhartra tyajyamana api bharya bhartaram ma nindatu. Nindatu nindati, I'll make it. That is better. Instead of saying nindatu, an order. And she doesn't do nindana kriya. Na nindati. That would be better. Okay, now here, yadantad. How do we make this? Yadantad.
Yeah. Yeah.
Ya bharya.
Ye-
Yes. Ya bharya.
Tyajyate.
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 Not yad bharya. Ya is.
Yet Bharta
Yat bharta.
Tyajyate tadapi bharya bhartaram na nindati.
There's no meaning at all. Yat bharta. Yat is napumsakalinga. Bharta is pullinga. Doesn't match at all.
Oh,
Cannot be.
yeah, but
So here it is, as it is here, Karmani Prayoga, we don't change the Prayoga. We keep it as Karmani Prayoga. If you want to change it Kartari Prayoga, that is possible. We can do. We can try. Ya Bharya Tejyate. By whom? By
Bhartam.
Bharta.
Bhartra. Ya Bharya
Bharta.
Bhartra Tejyate. Sa Bhartaram Ditya. Here it is Kartari Prayoga. Ma Nindati. Na Nindati. Not Ma Nindati. Ma is, when you said she must not. Na Nindati. That is better. Now the same sentence, if we convert into Kartari, then Karta is
Yes.
Bharta.
Bharta. Bharta.
Bharta
Bharyam tyajyate.
Yam Bharyam.
Tyajyate.
Not Tyajati. Tyajati.
Rajati.
Bharta Tyajati. Ta Yam Bharyam. Ta means Sa, sorry, not Sa. Bhartaram na
Bhartaram
nindati.
nanindate.
Yam Bharyam Bharta Tyajati. Sa referring to Bharta or Bharya, because Strilinga. Sa Bhartaram na nindati. Or if you want to put this into Karmani Prayoga, that is also possible. That is Bharta Yam Bharyam Tyajati. Sa Bhartaram. Sa Bhartaram nindati. Saha Bharyaya Taya.
Nanindate.
Saha Taya na nindyate. Second part of the sentence is in Karmani Prayoga. Bharta Yam Bharyam Tyajati. Saha Taya na nindyate. Or both can be in Karmani also. Ya Bharya Bhartra Tyajate. Saha Taya na nindyate. You can do like that also. Possible, all these are. Then Maya Rakshyamanebyah Balebhyah Tvam Palani Yachasi. Maya Rakshyamanebyah Karmani Shanaj. Rakshatu, which is Parasmipadi, taking Shanaj, therefore Karmani Shanaj. Boys who are Rakshyamanebyah Balebhyah. What vibhakti Rakshyamanebyah Balebhyah?
Chaturthi.
Chaturthi, because HSE is there, therefore it is Pradhana Karaka. So, Tvam Palani HSE, give. Those boys whom I protect, to them you give fruits. So, Maya Rakshyate. Maya Rakshyate, protected by me. Rakshyante, I put, because boys are in Bhagavachana. Maya Ya or Ye, which can take Bale, which is we Pullinga only, not Trilinga. Bale Byaha is Pullinga only, therefore Ye. Yaha cannot be. Maya Ye Balaha Rakshyante. Right? To them, Tebhyaha. Tebhyaha Tvam Palani Yachasi. Understand? Ye Balaha Maya Rakshyante. Then put Maya Yachasi. Yes. Tebhyaha Tvam Palani Yachasi. Tebhyaha is Tadrupam. So this is also Yet Tad. Not that Yed and Tad should be the same vibhakti. Can be any vibhakti. Adya Tvaya Tadyamanaha. Yes.
So why we are changing Balebhya into Bala? Because earlier we are only changing the Shanach Rupam only, no?
We're changing only.
That verb which is in Shanach Rupam, that only we are changing. So
We have to use yad and tad. How do you use Rakshimanebhyaha balebhyaha? Have we not done yet? Bharya tyajyate. Parivrad manam gamyate. Similarly, palam khadyate.
Gamyamanam only we are changing, no? This
Vanam. What about vanam? Vanam is pratama vibhakti. Gamyavanam vanam is in the here Gamyamanam vanam is what vibhakti? Here Roach, this sentence is difficult, different, not difficult. Here Gamyamanam is okay. It's karta only, pratama vibhakti, subject only. It's okay. So here yena vanam gamyate, here it becomes object.
okay.
Similarly, here kadyamanam palam. Palam is karmani prayoga. Palam is karma pratama vibhakti. Therefore, here palam ramena kadyate. Kadyamanam palam is equal to palam kadyate. Karta vintratiya karmani prayoga. Gamyamanam manam manam gamyate. Tyajyamana bharya tyajyate. Balebhyaha balas who are protected. Therefore, balaha rakshante. Here it is chaturthi. Here it is Tyajyamana pratama. And here Gamyamanam manam, that is also pratama. Kadyamanam palam, here also pratama. It's okay. So why here pratama vibhakti not there? Because it is sampradana, therefore it is not in pratama vibhakti. Maya rakshyamaneebhyaha balebhyaha. Tvam subject. Object is Falani. HSE give. To whom do you give? Rakshyamaneebhyaha balebhyaha. So here the dhatu is rakshadhatu. Therefore, Maya is there. Maya rakshyate. Maya rakshyate by protected by me. Who are protected? Bala only. Therefore, that balaha we are taking. Ye balaha. So here it is in Chaturthi Vibhakti. We are converting that into a Pratama Vibhakti. And the same Chaturthi we are using here. The same thing we are doing here in Yetad Sambandha, where we refer to this Bala by Tebhyaha. Understand?
Yeah. Yes.
This is Karmani, that Shanach Rupam, we are converting that into a verbal, thing. We're converting into a verb. The dhatu which is there in the Shanach, that in the form of a Kriya Padam, we have to use it. So Rakshyamana is the for Rakshya, Rakshadhatu. Rakshyate. Rakshyate means those who are protected. Who are protected? Boys alone. Balaha. Therefore, Balaha Rakshyante. And to them you give fruits. To them when we say, then it is Sampradana. Therefore, here we use Tebhyaha. We don't use, did we use any Tebhyaha in other sentences? No, because in other sentences it is the subject. In the sentence it is Pratama Vibhakti. Ya sa. Bharya, which is object of Tejidhatu, which is in Pratama Vibhakti. The same Vibhakti. Ya sa. Yat tat. Yat tat. But here we cannot use. That's why Tebhyaha. Understand?
Yes, good.
Yes, makes sense or not?
Yeah.
Adya tvaya tadyamanaha aham. Shvaha tvam tadayishyami. So here the object is aham, which is put in Pratama Vibhakti. Therefore, Karmani Prayoga. Tvam, you are the Karta. Karta is in Tritiya. Karma is in Pratama. Karmani Prayoga. So, Yaha, it is that you have to use. How do you use?
Yeah.
Yaha, Saha. So, Yaha, Aham. Tvaya,
Adyate.
Tadyate. Tadyate is wrong. That's why I'm asking you.
Tadi.
Tadye, because
Tadi.
should be keeping with
Mm.
the Purusha.
Mm.
Yaha aham tvaya tadye.
Tadi.
Right?
Mm.
Then Saha we cannot, Saha aham we cannot say. So that me. You can say nothing wrong. But anyway, if it is third person, it will be proper. Saha aham. Soham is that. Yeah, that is that which is me. Tvam. Tadayishyami.
Vishnu.
We don't say like this anyway.
Mm.
Yaha aham you can use. Here karta being whatever it is. Pratham Purusha, Madhyama Purusha, Uttamam Purusha. It's fine. Then such usages we don't see, but it is nothing wrong in grammatically. Even in terms of meaning also, it is fine. Same thing. Ye janaha nirupena nindhyante. Ye janaha nirupena nindhyante te sukham na labante. Already it is in yad and tad.
Mm.
Now we can convert this into a shanaj.
Shanaj.
Karmani shanaj. Example for karmani shanaj. So how do you convert? Janaha karta. Ye janaha nirupena
Nindyamana.
Nindyante is karmani prayoga. That verbal form must qualify the object here. Object is janaha. Therefore, Nindya manaha janaha. Then
Sukham na labante.
sukham na labante. Why tena? That is karta only. Sukham na labante. Tena not
So
required.
nrupena nindyamana janaha.
Yes, nirpena that you can put it in the beginning. Nirpena. Nindyamanaha janaha sukham na labante. Right? Ye murkaha kavibihi shasyante. What is shasyante? Shams dhatu praise.
Shasyante. Mm.
Praise. Te kavibhyaha sampadaha yachanti. So murkaha kavibihi shasyante. Shasyante shamsati dhatu shams dhatu. And karmani praha when kit pratyaya follows, anuswara will go away. The rule. That's the rule is that. Anidit dhatu padanakara will go away. Therefore shasya manaha murka.
Murkaha.
By whom karta is
Kavi.
Kavibihi. Kavibihi shasyamanaha murkaha. Then,
Tebhyaha sampadam gachanti.
yes, tebhyaha. Tebhyaha we cannot use yet. Otherwise, becomes yet and tad like that.
Kavibhyasam.
Te kavibhyaha. Kavibihi shasyamanaha murtaha kavibhyaha. Okay, tebhyaha you are using pronoun, but we cannot use pronoun here. We can use kavibhyaha. Sampadaha. Sampadaha is what vibhakti? Sampad Shabda. Sampad, Sampado, Sampadaha, Sampadam, Sampado, Sampadaha. It is object. Therefore, Dvitiya Bhakti Bhagu Vachanam here. Like Marut Shabda. Not Marut, Suhrud, you can say. Or Upanishad Shabda. Kavibhyaha Sampradana. So, Kavibihi Shasyamanaha Murka Kavibhyaha Sampadaha Yachanti. Ye Tvam Arim Manyante. Arim, it is Arim enemy. Ye Tvam Arim Manyante. What is Tvam? What is Vibhakti Tvam?
By you.
No,
You.
not by you at all. Where is by you? Tvaya is there.
Mm.
It is not by you.
Mm.
That is why I asked. Tvam, what Vibhakti, what Vachanam? What is the Pratipadikam? All these things you are supposed to know.
Yushmat.
Yushmat Shabda, what Vibhakti, what Vachanam? Tvam Yuvam Yuyam, Tvam Tva, Yuvam Vam,
Dvitiya Ekavachanam.
Yushman Vaha, Dvitiya Ekavachanam. And what about Ari? Arim. That is also Dvitiya Bhakti
Arim.
Ekavachanam only.
Ekavachanam.
Ari, Arayaha, Arim. Enemy. Subjective, sorry, here it is. Ye Tvam Arim. Objective complement. Is it Karmani Prayaga? No. Ye Manyante. Manyante Mandatu, fourth conjugation, which is Atmanepadik. Its form, both in Kartari and Karmani, will look same. Don't think it has Karmani Prayaga. But that is why I think Tvam, you are saying it's Tritiya. How can be Tritiya Bhakti? We have Makara. Not possible. Ye Manyante, those who think, those who consider you to be the enemy. Te Sarve Mama Mitrani Bhavanti. Simple. Those all, they all become they are my friends. So Te Sarve Mama Mitrani. So Tvam Arim Manyante. So we have to use Shanach.
Manyam.
Tvam,
Arim Manyamana.
no. Tvam,
Manaha.
Te Sarve Mama Mitrani. So Tvam is Tvam also. Manyamanaha, Manyamana Shabda, Manyamanaha, Arihi. Ye Tvam Arim Manyante. Those people who consider you to be the enemy. So Manyamanaha Arihi. Tvam. I'm just making Tvam as Manyamanaha Tvam Arihi. Manyamanaha Tvam Arihi. You E Tvam Arimanyante. Manyamanaha Tvam Arihi. Here, Te Sarve Mama Mitrani Bhavanti. So, Te Sarve Mama Mitrani Bhavanti. Who are this Te? So, therefore, here, Te referring to those who consider you as the enemy. So, here in the subject, in the sentence, Bhavanti Bhagavachanam is who Bhavanti, Mitrani Bhavanti. Mama Mitrani Bhavanti. Te Sarve Mitrani Bhavanti. Therefore, Te Sarve Mitrani Bhavanti. Therefore, here what will happen?
Manyamanaha should be plural, no? Manyamanaha.
Manyamana, because Manyante is plural, no? So this should be Manyamanaha only. No?
The Manyamanaha will qualify te.
Hey,
Manyamanaha te sarve mama mitrani bhavanti. Yes. Ye manyante, therefore te manyamanaha te. Now, Twamari will be Manyamanaha is karma nishanaj. For which the karma is Ari.
Hari.
And it is in karma is Ari, karma nishanaj. Te manyamanaha te. Manyamanaha te, for which the karma is Ari. Ari is qualified by Tvam.
Tvam arim manyamanaha.
So Tvam Arim Manyamanaha. Not Tvam, Tvam Arim Manyamanaha te.
Tvam arim manyamanaha.
Tvam
Hari.
Arim
Manyamana.
Manyamanaha te. Manyamanaha qualifies the te manyante sarve mitrani. It is not karmani shanaj, it is kartari shanaj. Because manyante, the form looks same, both kartari and karmani. Similarly, in shanaj also will look same. Manyamanaha qualifying te, and te is the karta. Kriya padam bhavanti, kartari prayoga. Te is karta. And qualifying, shanaj qualifying karta only here. Therefore, for this, the mandatu, the object is Hari. And it has got a complement, Tvam, Tvam Arim. This is object is Tvam, and it's got a objective complement Hari. Therefore, both have to become karma. Tvam Arim Manyamanaha te mama mitrani bhavanti.
But they should be removed. No? Why
They should be.
Because we are removing A and they.
They referring to those people. It can have or you can need not have, that doesn't matter here. There is no rule that should be removed. It can be there. Tvam Arim Manyamanaha survey. Okay. Stay survey those all people. That's also fine.
Okay.
Aham Mriye. Aham Mriye is, this is also fourth
I die.
conjugation.
Die.
Aham Mriye tatapi tvam mam na drashtum ichchasi. I would die, you don't want to see me. That is, you have to use like that in Shanach. So Mriya,
Mriyamanaha aham.
Mriyamano.
Mriyamanaha aham.
Manaha.
Mriyamanaha aham, instead of mam, we have aham. Or Mriyamanam mam. Tvam, you can make it tvam.
Nadrashtam ichchasi.
Make this as an object. Mriyamanam mam.
Mam tvam.
Tvam Mriyamanam mam. Simple. Na drashtum
Ichchasi.
ichchasi. So Mriyamana is qualifying aham. Mam, aham also has to be Dvitiya Vibhakti. Mriyamanam, Mriyamanaha, Mriyamanam, Mriyamanaha. Mriyamanam, that is the object for Drishdhatu. So Drashtum, Mam Drashtum, Mriyamanam, Mam Drashtum na ichchasitvam. Right? Here it can add Yathapi, Yadyapi, Aham Mriye, Tathapi Tvam na, Tvam Drashtum na ichchasi. We remove that. Make that into a Shanach.
So Guruji, it should be Aham Mriyamanam, no? Why it's Tvam Mriyamanam?
Not Tvam Mriyamanam. Mriyamanam qualifies Mam. Don't connect like that. How do you connect is very important. Tvam Mriyamanam Mam. Tvam is his subject. Mriyamanam Dvitiya Vibhakti. How can you connect this subject which is Dvitiya Vibhakti and Tvam is Pratama Vibhakti? Not you who are dying. You, I who am dying. You don't desire to see me who am dying. Understand? If you put the Mriyamanam Tom means it is problem. You who are dying. That is not the meaning here. Tom Mriyamanam Mam. Mriyamanam, this Shanaj qualifying the object. Not the other way. Huh? यद्यपि त्वं स्वादूनि वचनानि भाषते तथापि त्वाम् अहं मित्रं न मन्ये. So aham mitram na manye. That is the sentence we can first take. Aham tvam. Aham tvam. Aham tvam mitram na manye. Aham na manye. I don't consider what?
Friend.
You as my friend. You
My
to be my
friend.
friend. Aham tvam mitra. Again, objective complement. Aham tvam mitram na manye. Now,
Tvam
tvam is qualified by
Ashamananam. Swadhuni
Tvam
Vachanani Ashamanam.
Bashaman. Tvam
Mana.
Bashamanam.
Ashamanam.
Bashamanam Tvam. What Bashamanam? Swadhuni. That will not change. Swadhuni, which is the object.
Vachanani.
Swadhuni Vachanani Bashamanam Tvam. Bashamanam or Bashamanam, depending on what linga is. Tvam Mitram na manye. For Bashamanam, the object is Swadhuni Vachanani. For Aham, the object is Tvam and Mitra. Objective complement also is Aham, Mitra, Tvam na manye. What? Mitra na manye. So don't connect this object with Aham. There's no connection at all. This Swadhuni Vachanani object for the Kriya Bash. And for Mandatu, so object is Tvam and objective complement Mitram is there, for which Karta is Aham. Ya Nari Bhartra Adikshipyate Saha Bhartaram Adikshipati. What is Adikshipati? Ship means to throw. Give up.
Insult.
Yeah, insult. So Ya Nari Bhartra Adikshipyate. Sa Bhartaram Adikshipati. Sa Bhartaram, Sa we will replace it by Nari. So Nari Bhartaram Adikshipati. That is the sentence, my sentence. Nari. Nari is qualified by Adi
Shipyamana.
Shipyamana. Shipyamana
Bhartra
Nari.
Shipyamana
Abhishipyamana.
Nari.
Shipyamana Nari. By whom?
Bhartra.
Bhartra. Bhartra Adikshipyamana Nari. Bhartaram Adikshipati. Ship Dhatu. It is in, we have got the form Kshipati, Kshipataha, Kshipanti. The sixth conjugation Dhatu is the Kship Dhatu. Not only in that conjugation, it is in other conjugation also. Kshipati, Kshipataha, Kshipanti, when the form is there, it is Udadigana. Divadigana also is there. Divadigana Parasmai Padi. Kshipyati, Kshipyataha, Kshipyanti. So here, it is Kshipyamana is there. So we can take either of them. It's not a problem because both are Parasmipadi and Natmanipadi. Both form will look same. Either we can take it as first conjugation or fourth conjugation. It's same. But yeah, here also it is Karmani Priya. Here Bhartaram Adikshipati. Therefore, here it is not Kshipyati. Therefore, Kshipdhatu must be of the first
Sixth.
conjugation. Not sixth conjugation. First conjugation. Sixth conjugation, that's what I was saying. Kshipyati it would be. It's not Kshipyati, Kshipati. Sorry, the sixth conjugation, not fourth conjugation. Kshamita. Okay. It is not fourth conjugation, it has to be sixth conjugation because it is in two conjugations. Therefore, we can take all the dhatu to be, all the forms to be of the sixth conjugation. Can take like that also. Not a problem. But anyway, adikshipati is Tudadi, sixth conjugation. Yes. Yani kamalani tava bharyaya ganyate tani aham drashtum ichchami. What prayoga? Ganyate is there. Which conjugation? Dhatu is Gana dhatu.
Gana.
Adanta dhatu it is. 10th conjugation. Ganayati, ganayata, ganayanti. Karmani ganyate, ganyate, ganyante. So aham drashtum ichchami. That is the sentence. Just you write as it is. Aham drashtum ichchami. Drashtum is as a subject, as a object. Tani is a Tani is object. Object. Aham drashtum. For drashtum, the object is Tani. So you have to find out what is object, what is subject. Aham ichchami. That is clear. Subject is there. Drashtum is there. Object is Tani. Even the Tani is here, you have to take it and place it before drashtum. Aham Tani drashtum ichchami. So Tani is Kani.
Kamalani.
Kamalani.
Kamala.
So, and Kamalani is counted by whom?
Bharyaya.
Counted by Bhariya. So Bhariya is the karta which is in Tritiya Vibhakti, therefore Karmani Prayoga. Whose Bhariya? Tava. That is Sambandha Shashti. Aham Tava Bharyaya, and here Kamalani is it is Ganya Manani, qualifying the object Kamalani. Object for drashtum. Aham Tava Bharyaya Ganyamanani Kamalani drashtum ichchami. Here also it is Karmani Shanaj. Okay. Yada then Yata Jalam Yuvabhyam Piyate Padatu Akarandatu Piyate Diyate, like that will happen. We have seen Karmani Prayoga. Yat palam Yuvabhyam Piyate Tadeva Jalam Shrikhalaha api na pibanti. So Shrikhalaha
Jalam.
yeah. Jalam api na pibanti. So Jalam is qualified by Yuvabhyam. Yuvabhyam, what vibhakti? Dhyam is there. No, Chaturthi. Karmani Prayoga. It's a karta. Karta is in Tritiya by both of you. Yuvabhyam Priyamanam Jalam. Yuvabhyam Priyamanam Jalam. Shirghalaha. Then put it there. Galaha Pina Pibanti. Right? Piyamanam. Piyate, Piyate, Piyante. Say replied by Mana. Piyamanam. Yaha Vanaraha. Yaha Vanaraha Maduregi Palegi Modate. Tasya Sadayamapi Maduram Bhavediti. Makari Achintayat. The story is Makari. Makari, female crocodile. Maduraigi Palaigi Modate means Vanaraha Modate is satisfied with sweet fruits. Moddatu, it's not Kadudatu. Satisfied with what? Palam. Palaigi Modate. Rejoices, delights with the fruits. And fruits are Madura. Okay. So the whole thing is in within quote. So therefore, iti makari, that leave it as it is. That nothing will happen there. Iti makari achintayat. Achintayat or chintita.
Vati.
Yes, chintita vati. Let's say. which is within code, that alone you have to convert into a Shanach Rupam. So Bhavet, Maduram Bhavet, Tasya Hridayam Api Maduram Bhavet. Kasya
वानरस्य
Vanarasya Hridayam Maduram Bhavet. Kidrisha Vanarah
मधुरैः
Vanarah Maduraihi
फलैः
Palaihi Modate.
मोदमानस्य वानरस्य
Exactly. To Tasya is there. Replace Tasya by Vanarasya. Vanarasya Hridayam. Hridayam Api Maduram Bhavet iti. Now Vanarasya is qualified by Moda Manasya. Moda Manasya. And it has got
मधुरैः फलैः मोदमानस्य
Maduraihi Palaihi. Maduraihi Palaihi Modamanasya Vanarasya. Hridayamapi Maduram Bhavet iti Makari Achintayat. Or Chintitavati. I think it's okay. Maduraihi Palaihi is Tritiya Vibhakti. So it's interesting here. Maduraihi Palaihi Modate. Modate or Tushyati, the same meaning. Satisfied with the sweet fruits. Maduraihi Palaihi Modate. Tushyati. Yaha Vanaraha. So the Tritiya is, it is not the instrument. Or you can say instrument also. Why not? Or you can say it is a hetu. Okay. Mududhatu means satisfy for which the cause is Mududhatu. Mududhatu sakarmaka or akarmaka dhatu. You know what sakarmaka akarmaka is?
अकर्मक
Mududhatu, tushdhatu, tushyati. These are all akarmaka dhatu. Can it take karma? Cannot take karma.
Mhm.
Mududhatu modate. Because it is akarmaka dhatu. Tushyati. Therefore, we cannot say Maduram Palam. Madurani Palani Modate, we cannot say. Maduraihi Palaihi Modate only. So, therefore, since it cannot take a karma, it is akarma kadatu. Therefore, Madurani Palani is ruled out. Cannot be. And it is Maduraihi Palaihi. That is why it is Maduraihi Palaihi. And Maduraihi Palaihi can be, you can take it as the Karanitratiya. Karanam. The means of satisfaction. Tripti. Or the hetu of Tripti. Hetu also we can take. Yes. Hetu Tritiya. The cause for his happiness is Madurani Palani. That is why it is Tritiya Vibhakti. Maduraihi Palaihi. Yes. Don't think it as an instrument. I mean, in the sense of instrument means, that by which action is accomplished. It's a Yeto Tritiya, that is better. The action is not accomplished with this. The cause of his happiness is this. Therefore, this is a Hetu. Heto Tritiya, we call it as Heto Tritiya, not Karani Tritiya. So that when Karana Tritiya and Heto Tritiya, Karanam means of accomplishing the action. That also will be in Tritiya. When both will be in Tritiya, then this confusion happens. But Karana is the means of accomplishing the action. But here, it is not the means of accomplishing the Modana Kriya. Modanam, that is, Tripti happens due to Madura Pala. Therefore, it is a hetu. The cause for happiness is Madurani Palani. Therefore, hetu Tritiya it is. Some say Karna Tritiya also, but it is Hetu Tritiya. That is better. We may get doubt why not be Madhurani Palani. It's not possible because Madhudhatu is Akarmaka Dhatu. It cannot take karma. Madhudhatu as well as Tushdhatu. Madhudhatu first conjugation. Dhatu is Muddu. Mu become Mo. When Mu become Mo, it has to be first conjugation. Where else it will be? And Tushdhatu also it is Tushyati Akarmaka Dhatu. Fourth conjugation. So that is also Akarmaka Dhatu. Same meaning only. Okay.
We
It's
can't
no.
use Modamanaha Vanara, we cannot use it.
Modamanaha Vanaraha. Vanara is not the subject in the sentence. Here, what is the subject in the sentence? Tell me. What is in Pratama Vibhakti in the sentence? That is the subject, right?
Yes.
What is the Kriya Padam? What's the Kriya Padam?
So why you are saying Vanara is not in Vanara is not
In the highlighted, what is the Kriya Padam? You tell me. Kriya Padam is difficult to find. Huh?
Modamanasya.
Modamanasya.
No, I'm asking Kriya Padam. Kriya Padam means verbal form. It should be ended with Ting Pratyaya. What is Kriya Padam sentence?
Bhavet.
Bhavet.
Okay.
Bhavet is Ling Lakara. That is the Kriya Padam. What Bhavet? Bhavet, if you find difficult, you can convert Bhavati. Same Bhavati. What is it? Who is a Karta then? What Bhavati?
Palaihi, is it?
Palaihi. Come on. Bhavati, how can be Palaihi? Huh? Ramaihi Bhavati. Sentence correct. Basics have to be strong. Ramaha Bhavati. Saha Bhavati. Arihi Bhavati. Guruhu Bhavati. Palaihi Bhavati.
Vanara. No, Vanara.
Vanara.
Vanaraha, no. That is also not correct. Vanara is in Shashti Bhakti. I'm asking what is the subject in the sentence. You are saying other than Pratama Bhakti. Palaihi Tritiya
Hridayam.
Bhakti. Hridayam. That is the
Hridayam.
subject.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh.
How can you say Vanarasya? I don't understand. Vanarasya in Shashti Bhakti. How can it be a subject? Hridayam Maduram Bhavati. Bhavet. Hridayam is sweet. Heart is sweet.
Okay.
Hridayam and Maduram also is in Pratama Bhakti. Subjective complement. Hridayam is subject. Subjective complement Maduram. Hridayam Maduram Bhavati Bhavet. Kasya. For whose Hridaya? Vanarasya. Shashti
Vanarasya.
Bhakti. Sambandha Shashti. How can be the Karta?
Okay.
Cannot be. Therefore, how can you say Vanaraha? Vanaraha, then what? Vanara is not sweet. Vanarasya. Hridayam alone is sweet.
Hridayam. Maduram Bhavet.
Hridayam is.
I was thinking like this. Modamanaha Vanara Madurai Palaihi Tasya Hridayam Hridayamapi Maduram.
Cannot be. It cannot be, I'm saying. Modamanaha Vanaraha Maduraihi Palaihi Modama. Maduraihi Palaihi Modamanaha Vanaraha is one sentence. Then the next sentence you have to say Tasya Hridayam Maduram Bhavati, you have to say. You cannot without using Tasya, without Sambandha.
Yeah.
Vanara is not sweet. Hridayam is sweet. Between Vanara and Hridaya there is Sambandha.
Yeah, that's what I was telling. So Modamanaha Vanara Madurai Palaihi Tasya Hridayamapi Maduram Bhavet iti Makari Chintayat.
Tasya Hridayam which becomes the next sentence.
Correct.
Maduraihi Palaihi Modamanaha Vanaraha Bhavati. One sentence. Tasya hridayam maduram bhavati, second sentence.
Correct.
Yes, that is fine.
That's what I was saying.
But hridayam is it, but we are not making it as a two sentence. It is one sentence. Why do you make it two sentence? You can make it, but it is, you can make it in one sentence, right? Or yaha saha if you want, yeah, you can make two like that and connect by yaha saha, that is fine. Yaha maduraihi palaihi yaha maduraihi palaihi yaha vanaraha maduraihi palaihi modate tasya hridayam maduram bhavet. That is fine. This part alone you can take it out and then make that into a yattat sambandha. That is fine. Yaha vanaraha maduraihi palaihi modate. Then again you have to use tasya. Tasya referring to the vanara. Tasya, that is vanarasya. Hridayam api maduram bhavet. Iti makari chintayati. You have to say like that. Then it is fine. Right?
Yeah,
Otherwise also two sentences we can make it. That is fine.
not
But
been
you have,
Shanach.
huh?
Not been Shanach.
Yeah, here it is not in Shanach. Yes.
Yes.
It is same as here only. Oh, I have written, in fact, I have written the same thing. Yes, see, I have written the same thing only. What is, I have not done anything new. Okay, anyway, I didn't see that. I have written the same thing. It has come done that only. What else, right? Anyway, fine. Then, ye janaha devebhyaha yajante. Devebhyaha yajante. Yajante, what is devebhyaha? What vibhakti? Yajana kriya. Yaj also, those who janaha yajante, worship. Deva yajante or devebhyaha yajante. Okay, devebhyaha is, if it is object of worship, then devan. But yajanta is, they do sacrifice in Homa. In Homa it is offered. The offering goes to whom? Deva. Therefore, devebhyaha. Okay. Te eva swargalokam gacchanti. Okay. Te swarga, te eva, those people alone go to swargaloka. Swargalokam gacchanti. Te subject, swargaloka object. Kete, you have to qualify this by.
Yajamana Jana.
Yajate is Atmanepadi. So Yajamanaha te. Yajamanaha te. Yajamanaha, you can replace it by Janaha. Kebhyaha, Devebhyaha. That has to be as it is in Sampradana. Devebhyaha or Devan also you can say, I think also fine. Devebhyaha Yajamanaha Janaha eva Swargalokam gacchanti. Okay. Yajamanaha, the dhatu is used worship. I mean, sacrifice. Sacrifice, ahuti is offered. Karma. The karma, that object goes to whom? To that will be Sampradana. That way Deva is Sampradana Chaturthi. It is. Aham, okay, yat griham taihi janaihi avadakhyate. Tadaham pashyami. Avadagyate meaning burnt. Avapurvaka dagdhatu. Avadagyate. Dagati dagataha daganti. Atmane parasipari dhatu. And it is an Atmanepadi. Therefore it is Karmani Priyaha. Griham is not, it is not, in the sentence it is Pratama Bhakti Ekavacham, it is karma object. It is not karta. Griham avadagyate. Karta is taihi, janaihi. So तदहं तत् अहं पश्यामि. तत् अहं पश्यामि, that is a पश्यामि means main verb. अहं तत् पश्यामि. Tat is object. What is the object here?
Graham.
Graham.
Tat. So graham. Aham graham.
Nayyamanam Graham.
Yes. Avadakshya karmani. Avadagyamanam graham pashyami. And it is burnt by taihi, by those people. Aham taihi janaihi avadakyamanam graham pashyami. Nadyaha tire ya naryaha vepante. Vepante is
Sowing.
Vapdatu is sowing, not vepante. Vepatusha sharire me romaharshasya jayate. Shivering, trembling,
Shivering.
right? So nadyaha tire ya naryaha vepante taha tvam pashya. Tvam pashya, that is a kriya padam. Tvam pashya lot lakara.
Lotlakam.
So tvam pashya you see. What is the object of seeing?
Naryaha. Naryaha.
Naryaha.
So taha is
Naryaha.
nari, naryo,
Naryaha.
naryaha. Think and say. Taha, you can say, but when you use proper noun, you cannot say nariha. Object is narihi. Right? Pronoun is form is same. Satetaha, tamtetaha. But to use a proper noun, it has to be nari, naryo, naryaha, narim, naryo, narihi. And narihi is qualified by
Vepamana.
yes, vepa, complete.
Manaha.
Vepamanaha. It is
Vipamanaha.
Dvitiya Bhakti Bhagavachanam. Rama Shabdavat. And
Nadya tire.
Nadyaha tire. Nadyaha tire vepamana. That is, Nadyaha is for vibhakti. Nadyaha tire is Shashti vibhakti. Tire is Adhikarana. Tira of the Nadi. So Nadi and Tira are connected. So they got Sambandha. Nadi is connected to Tira. So Nadyaha tire. Tire vepamanaha narihi pam pashya. Okay. Then Yani kavyani tvaya likhyante tebhyaha aham na sprihayami. So aham tebhyaha aham na sprihayami. Sprigdhatu. Sprigdhatu will govern Sprighe Ripsitaha. One sutram is there. By that, Sprigdhatu also will govern Chaturthi Vibhakti. That's one sutram. The Karaka. Karaka also important. We have to see. I'll try to teach. Sprighe Ripsitaha. That also will enjoy Sampradana Sagnya. So that which is desired. Sprigdhatu means Ichchati Ityartaha. That meaning. So, but when Sprigdhatu is used, that which is desired, that object, that will take Sampradana Sagnya. Yes, talk example. Devadattaha Pushpebhyaha Sprigayati. If you use Ichchati, Devadattaha Pushpan Ichchati. That is Pushpan Ichchati. But Sprigdhatu if we use Devebhyaha Devadattaha, Pushpebhyaha Sprigayati. So Sprigdhatu, when you use Sprigdhatu, that object which is desired will take Sampradana Sanya. That is why here we have Tebhyaha Chaturthi. Aham na sprihayami. That is the main sentence. Aham na sprihayami. What object is?
Kavyani.
There
Kavyani.
is no object. It is only Sampradana. Therefore, tebhyaha is there. Therefore, kavyebhyaha.
You're coming.
And kavyebhyaha is qualified by written by whom?
Likhna. Tvaya.
Written by Tvaya. Therefore,
Nibhyaha.
likyamanebhyaha. By whom? Tvaya. So all these are karma nishanaj. Tvaya likyamanebhyaha kavyebhyaha aham na sprahayami. Aham likya, you can say, kavyani. Tvaya likyamanani kavyani aham na ichhami. That is also same meaning one. See the difference between the two. I'll write that also. That ichha, when you use ichhami, then you have to put Tvaya likya manani kavyani na ichhami. When you use ichhami, the object of desire will be object, Ditya Vyakti. When Trig Dhatu is used, the object of desire will take Sampradana Sanya, Sampradana will be Chaturthi. It's a rule. Sprige Ripsitaha, Sutram is there. Okay. Yadyapi maya nripaha shlagyate. Tapi saha mam nindati.
Nindati.
Saha, that is saha referring to nripaha. Mam nindati. Main kriya you take, subject is saha, object is aham, Ditya Vyakti mam. This you can replace by nripaha. Kidrishaha nripaha. Shlagyamanaha, right?
Maya Shlakyamana.
Maya shlagyamanaha. Praised by Maya shlagyamanaha nripaha. Mam nindati. Even though I praise, even though the king is praised by me, he scolds me, criticizes me. Then, fill in the blanks here. Simple one. Dash dayate vimanam drishtva balakaha modante.
Dayamanam Vimanam.
Dayamanam.
So, dayamanam. Dhatu is,
Day.
we have two dhatu, D dhatu. D becomes first conjugation. Dayate, dayante, angakarya will happen. D plus shap, D will become day, daya. There is another dhatu is there. That is, dhatu is D only, which is in fourth conjugation. Diyate. Okay, but it is not that, because dayate is there. This is first conjugation. When D become daya, angakarya happens means it has to be first conjugation. So, dayamanam vimanam drishtva, having seen the flying plane, balakaha modante. Namaskaram dash kurute, Atmanipadi, form of dhatu. Rishihi varam dattavan. So, Rishihi varam dattavan.
Koryamana.
Huh?
Is it Koryamana?
Kuriyamana.
Kriyamanaha.
Kriyamanaha.
Kriyamana, sorry.
Think and answer, huh? Rishihi varam dattavan. Kriyapadam is?
Rishi.
Kriyapadam Rishihi.
Dattavan.
Dattavan.
Who is the subject?
Rishi.
Object is?
Varam.
Varam.
Then Namaskaram, where will you put Namaskaram now here?
Rishi who was.
Rishi who does Namaskara?
No, Rishi who was done Namaskara too.
So therefore Namaskaram, which is the object for kurute.
Kurvanaha.
Kurvanaha is, it is Kartari Shanaj. Somebody said that. It is Kriyamanaha.
Kriyamana.
Namaskara is done to the Rishi, Saha Varam Dattavan. Okay. So qualifying the Rishi, Kriyamanaha. Rishi who was done Namaskaram. Saha Varam Dattavan. Okay. Right? Okay. Suppose the sentence is, if I tell you, I think you will easily tell the answer. Anyway, but still. Namaskaram Kriyamanaha. Then Namaskaram is the object. Okay. Okay, let it be Namaskaram. Namaskaram. Rishihi Varam Dattavan. Varam goes to whom? This is, instead of using the Shana Chrupam of Krudatu for qualifying Rishi, and here I'm using another word which is not there in the sentence. Namaskaram Kurvanebhyaha Rishihi Varam Dattavan. This is different. That's why I said I'm adding one more word. I said, what is Kurvanebhyaha? Varam goes to whom? That is Chaturthi. And Namaskara is the karma for Krudatu. Kurvana is Shanach form of Krudatu. Namaskaram Kurvanebhyaha Rishihi Varam Dattavan. Possible. This is what I thought, in fact. But anyway, it is depends on how you think. Both are fine. Sentence is same only. I have not changed anything. I'm adding one more karaka I'm adding here. That's the difference. Here you have made Krudata as an adjective to Rishihi. Here I have made Kuranebhyaha completely another karaka, which is not given in the sentence. Or even the Akanksha is not there in the sentence, but still to whom, that is Varam, that's why as Varam goes to whom? Varam goes to Namaskaram Kurvanebhyaha. Possible, right? Why not? This is also fine. Filling the blanks only is there. I can fill it with the word, any word, right? Meaning is, here Rishihi is qualified Kriyamanaha. Rishi who was offered Namaskara, gave Vara. Rishi offered Vara to those who offered Namaskara. Right? So this is not qualifying Rishi here. This is a separate Karaka, separate word, Chaturthi. Understand? To them I am using, to them I am referred to by Ishanach group. Understand?
Yes.
There's a difference. Okay. Chatraha parikshate shikshakan vandate. What is the dhatu? Parikshate. Yeah, paripurvaka ikshate, to examine. Chatraha parikshate shikshakan vandate. Who is doing examination, examining, investigating? Shikshaka. So therefore, Chatraha
Shikshaman.
Pariksha.
Manaha.
Manaha, no, not Manaha.
Mana.
qualifies shiksha, shikshakan,
Mm.
parikshamanan, shikshakan, vandate. Parikshyamanah means
Examining. The one who is examining.
Examined. One is being examined.
No, the one who is examining.
see, it's a not pariksha. Sorry, yes, what he says is correct. If you yes parikshyamanaha, chatra is examined, but not parikshyamanaha. It is
It's a
pariksha
Mana.
parikshamanaha. Sorry, that I wrote it wrongly. Chatra pariksha parikshamanan shikshakan vandate. If you say pariksha, chatra is parikshya and parikshamana is shikshaka. That's the difference. Okay, that sentence I will write it. Can say can add one more word. Parikshya manaha chatraha. Then pariksha manan shikshaka. Right? Vandate. One is here karmani shanash. It's a good example. This is karmani shanash. And this is kartari shanash. Karta, here it is object. Therefore qualifying the same. Vidya Vakti Bhagavachanam. Okay, not Parikshaman. In the sentence, this is correct. Parikshamanan, that is correct. Not Parikshamanaha. Parikshamanaha goes with the Chatra. Different. Right? The next. Dash Kampate Vrikshat Parnani Patanti. Simple one. Kampadatu Atmanipad. Kampa?
Mana.
Manani.
Not Manani.
Okay.
Vriksha is what is Kampate.
Okay.
Kampamana Vrikshat Parnani Patanti. Right? Then you please answer. Only when you answer, then you will understand whether your thinking is correct or not. Even if it is wrong, doesn't matter. Dash Bhunkte Anujayai Phalam Dadatu. Bhunkte Bujidatu. So that qualifies Anuja, which is in Chaturthi. Because Jalam goes to Anuja. Therefore, Anuja is Sampradana. And Anuja, what is she doing?
It. Bunjamana.
It is Bunjate, it is both, in fact, Ubhayapadi. But Atmanepadi we have to use in the sense of eating. Therefore, Bunja. Bunjamana yai. That is one who is eating. That's what meaning is. Anuja yai. Phalam dadatu. Okay. Jalam dadatu. Sorry. Anyway, Karmani Priyaha we have not required. Karmani Priyaha, this and all will not change. What will happen? Parnani Patanti. Parnaihi. Patyate. Kampamana Vrikshat. So this will not change at all. So therefore, Karmani Priyaha we have not done. Rishina Varaha Dattaha. So like that it will be. So it's okay. Dash Vandate. Vandadatu Atmani Paridatu. Vandate, Vandete, Vandante. Bhaktaha Devaha. Bhaktam Devaha Anugrunnati. So Devaha Anugrunnati. Anugrunnati means Anugrahanam Karoti. Blesses. So Devaha Bhaktam Anugrunnati. Kidrishaha Bhaktaha. Vandamana Bhaktaha. Here Bhakta Idutiya. Therefore
Vandamanam.
Vandamanam. Devaha Vandamanam Bhaktam Anugrunnati. Anugrunnati means what? Grunnati, Anugrunnati, Anupagrunnati, blesses, Anugraham Karoti ityartaha. Pustakam Yachate. प्रियं वदाम सखीम आह्वयति. So, which is a subject in sentence? Okay,
Sakhi.
Kriya Padam is Ahvayati.
Mm.
Subject is
Sakhi ahvayate.
Saki.
Okay.
Saki is like Nadi
Yevatam.
Shabdavat. Saki, Nadi Shabdavat. Saki, Sakyo, Sakyaha. Saki in Shriling, Pullinga also it is Rasvaikara.
Sakhin.
Saka, Sakayo, Sakayaha. That's different. Saki Ahvayati calls, whom does she call?
Priyam vadam.
Priyam Madam Saki Ahvayati. So, what is the object? Priyam Vadati iti Priyam Vadaha. Shrilinga Priyam Vada. Priyam Vada, Priyam Vade, Priyam Vadaha, Priyam Vadam. Okay. So Priyam Vadam Ahvayati is qualified by
Yajamana.
Yachyaman.
not Yachamana.
Yachamanam.
Yachamanam.
Manam.
Manam. The Shrilinga. Pustakam Yachamanam Priyam Vadam Ahvayati. Okay. Yachyamana becomes that which is Pustaka is Yachyamana. Pustaka is what is asked, right? Pustaka is Yachyamana. But who is the Yachamana? The Priyamada. What is asked for? That is object. Similarly, here Vandamanam Bhaktam. Who is Vandyamana? Devaha. Right? Vandamanaha is Bhaktaha. Vandyamanaha Devaha. Understand? Similarly, okay. Parikshamanaha Chataha. Parikshamanaha Shikshakaha. Like that it's. Okay. Tantriyam Lambate Vastrebhyaha Jalam Sravati. Jalam Sravati. Jalam Sravati. Sravati is water flows. So water flows. Vastrebhyaha, what vibhakti?
Apadana.
Yes, it is
Panchami.
Panchami, the fourth, from the Vastra. Vastrebhyaha, that will not undergo any change. Vastrebhyaha, qualified by Lambamana. Lambamana is hanging.
Lambamanebhya.
So Lambamanebhyaha. Lambamanebhyaha. How it is Lamba, how is hanging? By Tantri. Tantri is thread. Tantriyam string. Tantriyam, what vibhakti?
Saptam.
Saptami, Nadi Shabdavata, Tantri. Tantriyam Lambamanebhyaha Astrebhyaha Jalam Sravati. Right? Okay. Yoga Shastram. Yoga Shastram. Adite, within bracket. Mahilanam Sankhya Adhika Asti. So, Mahilanam Sankhya. Here, which is the Karta? Asti is the Kriya Padam. Subject is
Sankhya.
Sankhya. Numbers or more. That is the Kriya Padam. Sankhya and Adhika is subjective complement. Then what Mahila means? What Sankhya? Mahilanam, what Sankhya? Kesham Sankhya, Mahilanam Sankhya. The number of women. Kidrishaha Mahilaha, Kidrishaha Mahilaha.
Adhiyamana Mahila. Adhiyamana.
Adipuraka ing dhatu, Adiya,
Mananam Mahila.
Mana, Nam. Adiyamana Mahilanam. What object of Adiyamana is Yoga Shastra.
Yoga Shastram.
Adiyamananam Mahilanam Sankhya Adhika Asti. Adiyamana is a Pratipadikam. Lavate. Lavate means floats. Or jump also meaning is there. Jalayanam Sagare Nimajjati. What is Nimajjati? Masjidatu. It sings.
6.
What sings?
The
Jalayana.
boat.
Jale yati iti jala yanam.
Jalayanam.
Kutra? Sagare.
Sagare.
Which is Adhikarana. Kidrisham Jalayanam.
Lavamanam Jalayanam.
Lavamanam Jalayanam.
Plavamanam.
Qualifying. What vibhakti Lavamanam is? Pratama it is.
Prathama ekavachanam.
Jalayanam is the karta.
Mhm.
Lavamanam qualifying. Plavate, plavete, plavante. Right? So, Plavamanam Jalayanam. Plavam ete yadada yagya rupaha. Ashtadashoktamavaram yesha karma. The plava, the word is used in the Upanishad also, Mandaka Upanishad. That plava means that which is vinashin nityartaha, that which perishes. But here it is not the meaning. That which floats. Jvaraha vardate. Bhavan jvaram nivarayatu. So Bhavan jvaram nivarayatu, that remains, that is the main sentence. Nivarayatu. You remove the nivarayatu, nivaram karotu. Remove the jvara. Jvara is the object. Qualified by the Shana Churupam of Radhatu, Vardadatu.
Vardhamanam.
Vardhamanam. Bhavan Vardhamanam. Jvara, which is increasing. Nivarayatu, remove it. Right? Okay. I think we'll stop here.
Is it 114? Is it Anuja Yaihi or Anuja Yai?
Anuja Yei, not Rama Yei. There is no Visarga. Right? Rama Yei only. Yei he will not come. This is not Tritiya, right?
So it is.
Oh, yeah. Okay. It's a mistake. Yes. Yeah, that's correct. Anuja Yei only. Chaturthi Ekavach. Akaranta Shabda. Which is good. We'll stop here. Om Purnamadav Purnamidham Purnat Purnamadachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnameva Vashishyate Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyawad.
Dhanyawad Guruji.
I have given once the list of the topics which we covered. Remember what all the topics we have covered? Inganta, Subanta, some for this class. Once I typed, I don't know where I kept it. And the next topic also I told. Do you have it? By chance? No?
No.
List of topics what we covered in this class. Nishta Pratyaya. Then
We
all
did
those.
that orally.
Shatranta.
Spoke about it
No.
orally this week.
No, I typed also actually. Typed and it was there. Format, typed the format. I don't know where I kept it. I don't know at least which class I typed it. Okay, if you have it, share. Otherwise, I have to find out. Must be there somewhere in my document where it is. So if you see all the topics, we have covered very elaborate. Karmani Prayoga, that also, and the Shatrishana, Drishta Pratyaya, and some of the Subantas, Tinganta, 1, 4, 6, 10, and ninth conjugations. Ninth conjugation also. Then infant reader and reader 1 we were doing. So many topics. I've given all the list for all the topics we covered. Okay, if you have it, just forward to me. I think I have not done Kritya
No, we have
and
not.
Tavatur, Tva Pratyaya, some of the examples. Okay. Once we have these basic things and little about Samasa, that also we will learn, and Karaka Bhakti, then We'll start with some sutras, simple sutras. Let's see. If you have the file, please share. At
Yes,
least
sir.
which class it is there, at least if you never know, I can find out from the name of the file or something. Okay, ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಗುರುಜಿ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.